Good morning, class. I hope we're all ready to put on our thinking caps and have a really successful lesson today.
Good morning, Miss Powell.
So to start today's lesson, I want someone to remind me what we talked about yesterday. Can anyone do that for me?
We talked about factors.
Very good. So who can tell me what a factor is?
It's two or more numbers you multiply to get another number.
That's right. So who can tell me what the factors in this equation are?
2 and 2. 2 and 2.
Very good. How about this one?
Oh, 3 and 4.
Awesome. I think y'all are really getting the hang of this idea. Now we can move on and add to these ideas. So today we're going to learn about prime factors. Can anyone tell me what they think this may be?
2 numbers that are prime that equal a prime number.
Okay, very good idea. So let's use some examples to figure out exactly what these are. So we'll start with something simple. What are the prime factors of 12? We start with the smallest factor, which is 2. Can 2 go into 12?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know 12 divided by 2 is 6. Can 2 go into 6?
Yes.
Good. So now we know that 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Can 2 go into 3?
No.
That means we have our answer. So it's 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. Those are our factors. So what would we do if the number was 17?
Divide by 2.
Aha! I tricked you. So this one is already a prime number, so it can't go any farther. Are there any other numbers like 17?
5.
Or 7.
Very good. You're getting the hang of it. So I'm going to write a number on the board, and I want you to show me how to find the prime factors. So if the number was 14, how would we find it? What would we start with?
14 divided by 2
Okay.
equals 7.
Okay.
So 14 equals 2 times 7.
And what are these?
Factors.
Good job. So what if our number was 16? What would we do?
Divided by 2. And that
Okay.
equals 8.
Okay.
And you can divide 8 by 2. And it becomes 4.
Okay. Can you divide 4 by 2?
Yeah. And it's 2 also.
Okay. And can you divide 2 by 2?
It's only once, yes, but once.
Okay. So what would our factors be in this case? You don't ever have to add the 1 to the end.
So it would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Because all these are divided by 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. Very good, guys. You're really getting the hang of this already. So we're going to go ahead and break up into our own sections. So y'all are going to go show what you know. I'm going to give you each a worksheet, and you may go to any of the comfy chairs in the room and work on this quietly. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand, and I will come help. When you're finished, raise your hand, and I will come check your work. Okay, so when you try to do the prime factors of 19, it doesn't work. So maybe you should look at all of your answer choices. What does that one say?
Let's see. I don't know, I got 2.
But think about it again. 19. What about that number?
Oh, so 19 is already prime.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't have to factor.
Exactly. See, good job. What you getting done? Oh wow, you're doing so great.
Okay.
All right, very good job, everyone. Everyone did super well in this activity. Did everyone feel pretty confident in the lesson? Can anyone tell me what a prime factor is?
It's which prime numbers multiply to find the first number?
Very good. So let's think about it again. We have 2, 3, 5, and 7. So do these numbers have prime factors?
No.
No, those are already prime.
Good job. So let's think about what kinds of things would use factoring. What things in the real world?
Time?
Money.
Good job. How would you use money in factoring?
Well, with money, you need to be able to pay the cashier. So if you have a quarter and you need 50 cents, then you know that 2 times 25 is 50.
Good job. Good job. Y'all are doing so well. So tomorrow, we're going to learn a new way to find the prime factors of a number. There are lots of different ways. Everyone have a good day.